Welcome back. Now away from the budget, a magistrate is fighting for her life at a Nairobi hospital after she was shot twice by a senior police officer before he was killed in a shootout with colleagues at Makadara Law Court.
Monica Kivuti was presiding over a case involving the wife of Chief Inspector of Police Samson Kipchirchir Kipruto, accused of 2.9 million shillings through false pretense, and when she failed to grant her bail, the police officer walked in, firing at her twice before police officers nearby responded, killing him on the spot.
In an incident that shocked the nation on Thursday afternoon, a police officer mandated to keep law and order, resorting to an act of infamy. Samson Kipchirchir Kipruto, the OCS at Londiani Police Station, had attended the hearing of a case where his 48-year-old wife Jennifer Wairimu was charged with obtaining 2.9 million shillings through false pretense. But things, according to the police, fell apart after Wairimu's bond was cancelled by the Makadara Law Court. Principal Magistrate Monica Kivuti. The agitated Kipruto, said to have been armed with a pistol, walked behind the open court and twice shot at the magistrate, with the bullet hitting her thigh and the chest.
We were all told to lie down. They all done, and then it happened really fast. Within a span of a moment, it happened. And everyone was up and running, and the prison wardens were also shooting, so we were told to lie down.
Whatever judgment or whatever ruling that is rendered, it is never the end of life. What you can do is just apply for either review by the same magistrate. If you're not satisfied with him, you can just appeal to a higher court.
Nairobi's police boss Samson said the police officer who were within the court responded, neutralizing Kipruto on the spot.
There had been a case which is ongoing, and the ruling was determined today. And during the time of that ruling or judgment given, a situation erupted up in court number 9, whereby one suspect entered to the courts and injured the magistrate in that particular court and the orderlies.
In the shootout, 3 court orderlies, Augustine Kidhumbi, Maureen Lepes and Eunice Masharia, sustained gunshot wounds. And in solidarity with the injured magistrate, Kenya Magistrate and Judges Association Vice President Rhoda Yator condemned the incident, calling on the government to increase judiciary budget and beef up security of judicial officers.
We cannot allow such acts of violence to go unanswered. In the instance case at Makadara Law Courts, the facilities are overstretched. 3 of the courtrooms and judicial officers sit under the tents, and which expose them to security lapse.
The association said the safety of judicial officers is not only a matter of personal concern, but of fundamental significance to preservation of the justice system.
The 2 judicial officers, actually we celebrate them. A male police officer and a female police officer who put their lives at risk to safeguard the judicial officer.
The body of the deceased OCS was moved to City Mortuary awaiting autopsy. Justice served dissatisfied clientele, but the question that begs, who allowed the senior police officer with a gun inside the courtroom? Ruth Wamboi reporting from Makadara Law Court.